Everyone, so today we are going to discuss about connecting links. My dear friends, some plants and animals share characters of two different groups. One of them is primitive and other one is advanced. Such organisms form a bridge between primitive and advanced organisms, and such organisms are called as connecting links. Okay. They suggest that the advanced groups have evolved from simple ones. This connecting link actually tells us that the advanced groups which are present nowadays, they have been evolved from simple ones only. Okay. Now let me give you some example, and by these examples, I will make you understand what connecting links actually are. Okay. Now we have first example of Iglina, as you can see here. Iglina is a connecting link between animals and plants. I will tell you how. Iglina is a protozoa and it's having chloroplast present in it, and it carries photosynthesis. Presence of chloroplast and carrying out photosynthesis is the, you can say, character of plants. And in the meantime, it's having animal characters also, like it's having pellicle, it's having contractile vacuoles, and it stores food in the form of glycogen, and these all characters are of animals, so we call it as connecting link between plants and animals. Now after that, we have second example, that is protospongia. Protospongia is a connecting link between protozoa and porifera. Let me tell you about this protospongia. It's having collar cells like conocytes or sponges present in it. Okay, means it has both characters of protozoa and porifera. Then we have one more example, that is Neopilina. Neopilina is a connecting link between Annelida and Mollusca. It's having characters of both Annelida and Mollusca. After that, we have one more example, that is Peripetus. You have to remember all these examples. Peripetus is an orthopod, and it's a connecting link between Annelida and Orthopoda. So it has characters of both Annelida and Orthopoda. Okay. After that, we have Balanoglossus. Balanoglossus is a hemichordiate, or you also call it as a non-chordiate, and it's also known as a connecting link between non-chordiates and chordates. Why? Because its primitive chordate characters are there, like it's having gill clefts, it's having tubular nerve cord, it's having notochord like processes. So because of them, we call it as a connecting link between non-chordates and chordates. After that, we have one more example, that is lungfishes. We have lungfishes, they are known as a connecting link between fishes and amphibians. As you all know that amphibians can respire through lungs also, these lungfishes are also having lungs, that's why we call them as connecting links of these fishes and amphibians. Then we have one more example, that's Latmeria. Latmeria is a coelocent fish, and it's considered as a connecting link between fishes and amphibians. Then we have Chimera. Chimera is a connecting link between cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes. At the end, we have one more example, that is egg laying mammals are there. Egg laying mammals, like we have Ornithorhynchus, that's also known as duck-billed platypus, and we have Tachyglossus or Echidna or spiny anteater. Okay, they are known as connecting link between reptiles and mammals. Why? Because they have character of both of these two groups. Okay, now this was all about connecting links. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you very much, everyone.